Namaste everyone, my name is Anusha. Welcome to my channel Tomato Blues, where I share quick, healthy and easy recipes most of the times. Today I'm going to be sharing how to make a delicious and filling chana pulao. You can even think of it as a pseudo biryani. I will not call it a biryani for the fear of people who mock at vegetarian biryanis. So as always, I am using my instant pot. You can use any electric pressure cooker that you have to make this recipe. Let's get started by heating up some ghee on the saute mode. Wait for the display to read hot. In this way, you will have melted the ghee completely and it will be perfectly ready to bloom, or rather, to roast our whole spices. I'm going to be adding the list of whole spices in the description box. Do give it a check. And I'm also adding 2 slit green chilies along with 1 cup of finely chopped onions. And the key here is to saute this mixture of whole spices and onions and ginger garlic paste until the onions turn a bit soft and translucent. We are not going to change the color, but we are going to just let it cook a little bit in the ghee. Also, if you're looking for a vegan version, feel free to use any vegetarian or vegan oil that you want. Avocado oil, sunflower oil, anything works over here. We will then go in and add lots of fresh mint and cilantro, because hey, what's a pulao or biryani without some fresh mint and cilantro, right? And then I'm going to let the leaves completely wilt. This infuses the flavors so beautifully. In goes 3/4 of a cup chopped tomatoes. I've not chopped the tomatoes very finely here. They are more like roughly chopped. This not only adds some nice texture but also prevents the pulao or the biryani from getting too sour. This is something that I learned from so many YouTube videos that I've watched. And then now I'm adding 1/4 cup of thick yogurt. I'm not adding very sour yogurt. This is freshly set yogurt. I recommend full fat over here. This gives a rich texture to the biryani. And once I've added the yogurt and let all the moisture dry up, I'm adding 1.5 cups of boiled chickpeas over here. I'm using canned chickpeas, which I drained completely in a colander and rinsed. Please note that you cannot use uncooked hydrated chickpeas over here. Then the cooking time will drastically differ and you will have something like a very mushy rice mixed with uncooked chickpeas. So I will not recommend using uncooked hydrated chickpeas over here. We are also adding some soaked basmati rice along with water and kevra essence or screw pine essence. So coming to the rice proportions, I've used 1.5 cups of basmati rice here. I washed it thoroughly until the rice ran clear. The water ran clear, and then I soaked it for about 20 minutes and then I let it drain completely in a colander. I added the soaked and drained rice along with the water required for cooking with the kevra pani and let it cook completely. And then you can follow the pressure cooking and pressure releasing instructions that you see on the screen. The end result is a fluffy, beautifully tasty, aromatic chickpea biryani or chickpea pulao, whatever you want to call it. I served it up with some mixed vegetable raita, which just had onions, tomatoes and cucumbers, but you could also do any curry of your choice. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. We'll see you all soon in another video. Till then, bye bye.